Let's queer up lesbian culture. A lesbian lawyer makes Trump pay $83 million in defamation case win. In October 2022, Roberta Kaplan went to Donald Trump's estate, Mar-a-Lago, in Florida, to question him under oath for a lawsuit filed by her client, writer E. Jean Carroll. Roberta Kaplan is an openly lesbian lawyer known for her role in bringing down the Defense of Marriage Act. Carroll accused Trump of sexually assaulting her in the mid-90s. When asked about it, Trump said, quote, "She's not my type." And then he made some dismissive comments about Kaplan's appearance. During the deposition, Trump continued to express disinterest, saying he would not be interested in Kaplan under any circumstances. The exchange became part of a legal battle that started in 2019 when Carroll filed the lawsuit. It all eventually ended in a Manhattan courtroom on Friday, with the jury deciding that Trump should pay Carroll $83.3 million for defamation. Kaplan makes history in a legal action against a president of the United States. The results are in addition to the $5 million he already has to pay her from a judgment last year for sexual abuse and defamation. Carroll hugged her attorneys when the decision was announced. Her lawyers argued in court that Trump should pay a significant amount for continuously talking about her and attacking her, even after the initial defamation case. The trial had many moments of Trump expressing anger and disruptions, with admonitions directed at his lawyers towards the dictator. At one point, he left the Manhattan courtroom abruptly during Kaplan's closing argument. The case is just one of many, including 92 legal filings against him leading up to the 2024 presidential election. So here's the great thing. These are all great numbers. He doesn't have it. We're going to find out.
Or he's not going to pay it.
Well, both. He doesn't have it, and he's already appealing it, so he doesn't want to pay it. He'll wrap it up in court for so long, we'll forget about it.
Yeah, but he's still even
Carroll will never get that money.
Even with an appeal, he has to pay a certain percentage of it.
Is that how it works?
Yeah, 20%-ish or something like that.
Well, and he already was ordered to pay $5 million beforehand, right?
Which he hasn't paid yet.
Which he hasn't paid yet.
But he also does have. I mean, yeah, that's his whole thing. We know is the making time, just trying to stretch things out and make it just go on forever.
Yeah.
But he's going to end up having to pay something. I mean, he's going to have to pay something.
He's got to pay something.
Well, not if he's reelected.
Okay, so if he's reelected as president, then he doesn't have to pay anything that a court orders him to pay?
In a normal situation, yes, that person would have to pay. But he has already made clear that he's going to change the laws, and he's going to change the operations, and he's going to get rid of anybody who opposes him in any way, shape, or form.
Yeah.
Wow.
So she will be lucky if she's not jailed for attacking him.
Oh my God.
Oh, but he's
The whole
he has his way about it.
right.
his way.
He does not believe in the rule of law. He does not believe in the Constitution. He's already asked for certain elements of the Constitution to be suspended.
But he can't affect state rulings like this.
Oh, yes, he can.
Well, yeah, because federal can trump.
Okay. Unintended.
Yeah, and but to go back to more of the story about Kaplan, the attorney.
Let's call her, first of all, Robbie Kaplan, okay? She's a badass Harvard graduate, among other incredible colleges.
Someone in our community to be really proud of, because she really nailed it, and she really, she kicked it.
Yeah, to the point where, I learned sign language at My Hollywood Pride, right? And this means Trump.
I learned all of it.
I learned all of it just working there. But this is Trump, like for the toupee. That's how they say Trump.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that awesome, right? That's Trump. Anyway, that Trump, like a little baby, stormed off, once that judgment went down.
No,
like
that's
freaking
but
baby.
it's not he's acting.
It's all part of his shtick.
It's part of the, he's going to motivate these people by doing this, and who knows what's really going on in his head. He is thinking about how it looks to his public, and nothing that he does is without some forethought in terms of its appeal.
But Kaplan, as a strong woman, stands up to that and has gone face to face to him and did a smash job getting that $83.3 million.
Yep. And Trump, you lost to two women. Ha ha. Two badass women, by the way.
Hello.